Can't adjust the blade up or down on your table saw? You might need a new hand wheel. The hand wheel attaches to and rotates the spindle that is responsible for raising and lowering the blade. The hand wheel is made of plastic and engages to a metal cross pin on the spindle. After years of use, the plastic hand wheel will wear down until it starts to slip against the metal pin and will no longer adjust the blade. Replacing the hand wheel is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The hand wheel is secured to the spindle with a nut. I'll go ahead and remove it. With the nut removed, now I can pull the hand wheel away from the saw. There's also a washer, so you want to make sure you don't lose that. Now I can install the new hand wheel. I'll slide it onto the shaft, aligning the notches with the roll pin. I'll replace the washer and secure it with the nut.